Hi everyone, welcome back to Foodie Affair with Mirna. It's been a minute. Thanks for dropping by. So as you can see, I'm going to show you how I make my comfort snacks. I snack on this a lot because it's so healthy and so filling. I'm just gonna use my unsweetened Greek yogurt and sweeten it up with some golden syrup and honey and cut up some fruits. You can use any fruit of your choice. I'm using tropical mix. You can use granola and just mix everything together. It's so yummy and so filling. So please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, share, and also turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.